Hello and welcome back to the Improve Listening Skills channel. Today we are talking about a very important topic, time management. What is time management? It is simply the way we plan and control how much time we spend on different activities. Time is our most valuable resource. We cannot save it, we cannot buy more of it, and once it is gone forever. Many people say, I don't have time. But the truth is, we all have the same 24 hours in a day. The difference is how we use them. Learning to manage time well is the first step to becoming successful in life, whether you are a student or a professional. So why is time management so important? It helps us in many ways. First, it reduces stress. When you have a plan, you know exactly what you need to do. You do not worry about forgetting something important. This clear plan makes you feel calm and relaxed. Second, it helps you achieve your goals. If your goal is to learn English, you must spend a little time on it every day. Good time management helps you find that little time and stick to your plan. It makes big dreams possible through small daily actions. Third, it improves decision making. When you manage your time, you know which tasks are most important. You can decide what to do first and what can wait. You stop wasting time on small things and focus on the big ones. This makes your work more efficient and gives you better results. Now let's look at three very simple ways you can start managing your time today. Tip 1. Make a to-do list. Every morning, write down everything you need to do. Do not just keep it in your mind. Write it down on paper or on your phone. Seeing the list helps you not forget anything. Tip 2. Prioritize your tasks. Look at your list and decide which task is important and urgent. Do this task first. Do not start with easy tasks. Start with the most difficult and important one. This is a powerful habit. Tip 3. Avoid distractions. Distractions are things that take your focus away, like social media or unnecessary phone calls. When you are working, keep your phone away. Dedicate a specific time only for work and a specific time only for your phone. Be focused. Time is equal for everyone, but its value is different for everyone. Good time management is not about working harder, it is about working smarter. Remember the three simple steps. Make a list, prioritize and avoid distractions. Start small. Try to manage just 1 hour of your day first. Then manage 2 hours. You will see big positive changes in your life very soon. Thank you for listening to this important lesson. If you want to learn more easy English lessons like this, please subscribe to our channel. We will see you next time. Listen clearly, speak confidently. Bye.